Nandito kami sa Madera Regional County Park. Ayan. Nakakita kami ng park. Today is Saturday. So this town is 38 minutes from Merced. So regional, ano siya, Regional Madera County Park. Malaki yung park nila, oh. Maraming picnic. Lapit lang. Share ko lang sa inyo. Okay. Enjoy ko na yung lakad ko. Babush. Wow, I see something there.